to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. In pitching investors, the founder will hold no many times. Without understanding why, the fundraising process can turn into a slog. By understanding why the investor said no, the founder can turn it into an educational experience. Here are some common reasons why investors say no. There's no momentum or traction. If all you have is an idea, it can be hard for the investor to share your vision. The team is not complete and sufficient for the task at hand. Take a hard look at the team to see what the investor sees. Would you invest in a company with this team? There are too many missing pieces. There may be no shipping product, clearly defined customer, or target market. Make sure you have a clear focus on these factors, as the investor will consider how these to be table stakes. The pitch may not convey all the values in the startup. Make sure the pitch is complete and communicates the value proposition well. Go to the next step to figure out why the investor said no, then use it to improve your pitch. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start listening to today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.